Hello guys, this is Dominic. You see I'm counting this laboratory for the pipetting the system, the manual one, semi-automatic one and a full automatic one. I will show you some details. Today I can just show you how to assemble the manual one. When you got the manual one, is the pipetting system is in the two carton box, and I will show you how to assemble it. It's very simple. Okay, follow my camera. Okay. See, there's two parts. This part and this part. The only thing is just you see, lose this screw. Just lose it is okay. Not too loose. And put this on, and use this Allen key. Tighten it clockwise. Yeah, tighten it. Yeah, finished. Just finished. You see that? Yeah, that's okay. We finish this, and this got the two steps. You can feel that one step, two step. When you got this, you can feel that. And when you adjust the volume, and you can this is the 20 milliamp. You can try that. When you adjust that, you should put this in one step and adjust this button. Turn to the clockwise, counterclockwise, and then you will get your volume. Yeah, let's see this. Put it down and press, not too hard. Okay, then you got it. Yeah, and put this to one step. 第二档是吧？对。The second step, just put to deep and adjust this, and this can show the volume. Yeah. Okay. You see, it's volume. Okay. Yeah. This is the first step, the press to the first step, and put it down and lose it. Yeah, you got it. You see that? Yeah, we finished. Okay.